Borax has been sitting in laundry aisles for over 100 years. And if you're over 60, there's a good chance you've seen it your whole life, maybe even used it once or twice. But here's the thing most people never figure out. The way almost everyone uses borax is the least useful way to use it. There's a whole other side to this product that nobody talks about anymore. And once you see it, you'll understand why older generations kept a box of this in every room of the house, not just the laundry room. We're going through the uses that actually matter for people over 60, starting with the ones that save the most effort and ending with number 1, which is the biggest surprise of all. Use number 1, joint and muscle soak. Most people over 60 deal with some level of joint stiffness or muscle soreness. And most people reach for expensive creams, heating pads, or over-the-counter pills that barely make a dent. What almost nobody thinks about is a warm borax soak. The mistake here isn't using the wrong product. It's not knowing that borax contains boron, a trace mineral that research has consistently linked to bone density and joint function. Your body actually needs it, and most modern diets come up short. A simple foot or hand soak, about a tablespoon of borax dissolved in warm water for 20 minutes, is one of the oldest home remedies that somehow got completely buried under a pile of pharmaceutical marketing. I've spoken to people in their 70s who swear by this for morning stiffness. Not because it's magic, because it works through something your body already understands. Use number 2, mattress and pillow refresh. Here's something that catches people off guard. Mattresses, especially older ones, can harbor dust mites, odors, and moisture that standard cleaning completely misses. Most people either ignore this or spend money on specialty sprays that smell strong and do very little. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. Sprinkle a light layer of borax across the mattress surface. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then vacuum it thoroughly. Borax works here because it disrupts the environment that dust mites need to survive. It changes the pH of the surface just enough to make it inhospitable. No harsh chemicals, no strong fragrance, no expensive equipment. And for anyone who deals with allergies or wakes up with congestion, this one is worth trying before anything else. It takes about 35 minutes total and costs almost nothing. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because the next few uses are the ones that directly replace products most people are spending real money on every single month. Use number 3, grout and tile cleaner that actually works. Bathroom grout is one of those things that slowly gets worse until one day you look at it and wonder how it got so bad. The usual response is to buy a specialty grout cleaner, the kind that costs $8 or $10 a bottle, smells like a chemical plant, and requires you to scrub on your hands and knees. Here's what nobody tells you. A paste made from borax and warm water, applied with an old toothbrush and left for 10 minutes, cuts through grout buildup just as effectively, sometimes better, without the fumes and without the price tag. The reason it works is simple. Borax is mildly alkaline, which means it breaks down soap scum and mineral deposits at a chemical level rather than just scrubbing them mechanically. Less physical effort. Better result. One box of borax costs about $4 and replaces 6 months of specialty cleaners. That math is hard to argue with. Use number 4, odor elimination in trash cans and drains. Most odor problems in a home come from one of 2 sources, bacteria or mold. Air fresheners don't fix either one. They just cover the smell temporarily, which means you keep buying them forever. Sprinkle a small amount of borax into the bottom of your trash can before you put in a new bag. Do the same thing down a slow or smelly drain once a week, a tablespoon followed by hot water. Borax doesn't mask odors. It eliminates the microbial source causing them. For anyone on a fixed income, this one change alone can quietly cut a small but real line item out of the monthly shopping list. And it works better than most of what's sold specifically for this purpose. Use number 5, ant and pest deterrent. Pest control is one of those expenses that seems unavoidable until you realize how simple the actual solution is. Professional treatments are expensive. Store sprays are cheaper, but still add up, and many of them have fumes that are genuinely unpleasant indoors. A mixture of borax and sugar, equal parts, placed in small shallow dishes near entry points, works as a slow-acting bait that ants carry back to the colony. It doesn't kill on contact, which is actually the point. Contact killers only eliminate the ants you see. This approach reaches the source. I've seen people use this in kitchens and garages for years without ever calling an exterminator. It's one of those old-school solutions that got replaced by expensive products. Not because it stopped working, but because there's no profit in telling you about it. We're past the halfway point now, and this is where the real savings start showing up, because the next uses hit areas where people over 60 tend to spend the most without realizing there's a better option sitting right there on a store shelf for $4. Use number 6, laundry booster that replaces 3 products. Most people use Borax in laundry the wrong way. They treat it like a detergent substitute and wonder why results are inconsistent. Borax isn't a detergent. It's a booster, and when you use it correctly, it makes your actual detergent work significantly harder. Add half a cup directly to the wash drum before adding clothes, then use your regular detergent as normal. What happens is that Borax raises the pH of the water, which activates cleaning enzymes more effectively and softens the water itself. Hard water is one of the most common reasons clothes come out looking dull and feeling stiff after washing. Borax fixes that without a separate water softener, without a fabric softener, and without a separate stain treatment. 3 products down to 1 addition. For anyone doing laundry on a budget, that consolidation adds up faster than it seems. Use number 7, refrigerator deodorizer and interior cleaner. Baking soda gets all the credit for this, but Borax actually does it better and lasts longer. Mix a tablespoon of Borax into a cup of warm water and use it to wipe down the interior surfaces of your refrigerator, shelves, walls, the rubber door seal that almost nobody cleans. That seal is where mold quietly builds up and where persistent food odors tend to originate. Borax eliminates both the mold and the smell without leaving any residue that could transfer to food. It's odorless, it dries clean, and it actively inhibits new mold growth for weeks afterward. Most people have never thought to clean the door seal at all. Once you do it once, you'll understand immediately why the inside of your fridge smelled the way it did. Use number 8, wood preservation and mold prevention. This one surprises almost everyone. If you have wooden furniture, window frames, or outdoor wood surfaces that are starting to show dark spots or a musty smell, Borax dissolved in water applied with a brush stops mold and wood rot in its tracks. It penetrates the surface rather than just coating it, which means it keeps working after it dries. Professional wood preservatives cost significantly more and often contain harsher chemicals. Borax has been used for this exact purpose in construction and restoration for decades. It's just not something that gets talked about in the consumer market because there's very little incentive to tell you the cheap option works just as well. If you like practical, no-nonsense information that actually saves money, this channel is worth sticking around for. New videos every week, no filler. Almost there. And the last 2 are the ones most people never connect to Borax at all, which is exactly why they keep spending money on products that solve the same problems less effectively. Use number 9, carpet stain treatment and deodorizer. Carpet cleaning products are one of the most consistently overpriced categories in any grocery store. Most of them are mostly water, a small amount of surfactant, and a strong fragrance that convinces you something powerful just happened. The actual cleaning is minimal. Mix 2 tablespoons of Borax with a cup of warm water, apply it directly to a stain, let it sit for 15 minutes, then blot, don't scrub, and let it dry completely before vacuuming. The Borax breaks down the organic compounds in most common stains, food, pet accidents, tracked in dirt, without bleaching the fibers or leaving a sticky residue that attracts more dirt afterward. That sticky residue, by the way, is one of the main reasons store-bought carpet sprays seem to make stains come back. They don't fully lift the stain. They coat it. Borax actually lifts it. For anyone with pets or grandchildren visiting regularly, this one change eliminates an entire product from the shopping list permanently. Use number 10, whole home mold control. This is the one that surprises people most, and it's the one that matters most for anyone over 60. Mold is one of the most underestimated air quality problems in older homes. It grows behind walls, under sinks, around window frames, and bathroom ceilings, often in places you can't see clearly and wouldn't think to check. A solution of 1 cup of borax dissolved in a gallon of water, applied to any surface showing mold growth and left without rinsing, doesn't just kill surface mold. It creates an alkaline environment that prevents regrowth. Unlike bleach, which kills mold on contact but evaporates quickly and allows regrowth within weeks, borax stays active on the surface long after it dries. For anyone dealing with respiratory sensitivity, unexplained congestion, or persistent allergy symptoms indoors, mold is frequently the cause nobody checks for first. This solution costs almost nothing. It works on drywall, tile, wood, and concrete, and it keeps working long after the application dries. That's the thing about borax that most people never figure out. It's not that it doesn't work. It's that nobody ever showed you the right way to use it. 1 box, 10 problems solved. And most of those problems have been quietly costing you money for years, through specialty products, repeat purchases, and solutions that treat the symptom instead of the cause. Your grandparents didn't keep this around because they had fewer options. They kept it around because they knew something that somehow got lost along the way. Now you do too.